What is up, everybody? Sarah Herring here for Poker News, and as we entered this new era in which the 2020 World Series of Poker was going to be played out on the online felt, it was definitely with a sad heart that I entered it, fearing that we were going to miss what are some of my favorite moments in all of poker, and that is the moment that you watch someone's life change, either because they've been dreaming of this day for ages and ages, or because this money is going to change their whole life. Being there and seeing those moments is hands down my favorite part of my job and being in this industry. And yet, the 2020 World Series of Poker took me by surprise and left me with a few of those moments anyways.
He's got chips. He's got a mill. He's got a mill.
First, remember when Manfred said players' health was
You fucking go! Yes! This motherfucker's got a bracelet!
Oh my fucking god, bro. Oh my fucking god, bro! I'm a legend! Is this where champions are made? I guess so! I guess fucking so! Ah!
If you guys have some of these moments, or you have ones you want to share with me, be sure to hit me up at Aunty, A-U-N-T-Y, Chardonnay. Now, whether it's taking place in the Amazon room or the Brasilia, the bracelet ceremonies are something that have become an integral part of my life in the summer, getting into people's heads, finding out, what their experience of a tournament was like, and then watching the moment where they actually receive the bracelet that they're going to take home with them is one of my favorite parts of the summer for sure. Now, I didn't get to experience that this summer, but I did get a little taste of what it was like for this year's bracelet winners.
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
Daddy,
What's in the box?
Would it refresh your memory if I told you that you were
Let's
seen
see.
wearing glasses at the hospital the morning that maybe
Oh, that's what you've been wanting.
Yeah, I've been wanting this like
That's
crazy.
exactly right. I lost my contact right around
Let's
that.
see.
Yeah.
Holy smack. Yeah. The bracelet winner.
I'm trying to think.
Wow.
Watch my language.
Alright, so as expected, they're helping me out here. And it looks like a little black box that I've seen once before. And inside, World Series of Poker 2020 EF20 online.
Very cool.
This will melt into a grill very nicely.
Well, there's still plenty of time to jump in the mix if you're looking to capture your bracelet. The main event still has several day ones. We have the really unique People's Choice Awards still up for grabs. There's bracelets still to be had, so definitely jump on GG Poker if you're looking to score your bracelet. And whether or not you're playing or just watching, you definitely want to check out the Poker News live reporting. We've been there with you every step of the way, and we will continue to be with you until we wrap out this entire event. And then look out, we've got more events just around the corner, so you guys don't want to click away from us. And if you haven't, be sure to join the discussion in the Poker News Discord. I will put a link below. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Sarah Herring.
The key to winning big is using every little bit of knowledge to your advantage. At Odds Checker, we give you the edge. Better odds, better picks, and better offers to make you a better bettor. Why settle for less? Quickly compare the odds at every sportsbook to ensure that you're getting the best price to maximize your return. Not only that, but we have experts on every sport, from hoops and football through to soccer and boxing. Our experts analyze the form and study the stats to deliver you totally free picks and parlays. OddsChecker also highlights the most lucrative welcome offers in the industry. If you're looking to open an account, then you are eligible for hundreds of dollars in totally free bets. If you're new to legal sports betting, then we're here to help, offering simple advice to understand betting guides and updates on your state's current legislative situation. Visit us at www.oddschecker.com/US. OddsChecker. Sports betting smarter.